All right, today we're going to take a look at why do people get it confused? Why are business owners getting it so confused? They have no idea where to start with AI. So basically today we're going to be taking a look at the five different levels of AI. Like what does it actually consist of? What are the different levels that you can use this in your business and actually make it make sense? Right? How does that work? Where do you start? Where do you end? Right? So, like, business owners are so confused. It's like, whoa, there's too much going on. I'm not even going to look at it. It's like when the internet came out, it's like, no, this thing is going to give us some sort of disease or something. No. We are going to demystify and show you that there's actually five different levels, and with each level, things get a little bit more complicated. Hi, my name is Diakri. I'm going to be showing you today how or when to put together an AI in your business. So let's get into it. So basically, you're going to figure out that this is how AI is going to transform your business. Okay. And today you're going to discover how AI can basically revolutionize your business from basic automation to custom AI models. There's levels for everybody. So basically, what you want to get from this video is where am I? What am I comfortable with? And where do I want to go? That's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video. Level zero, you have nothing, basically nothing in your business. Everything is still being done on pen and paper. All right. You basically have, right? If you miss a call, you miss a call. If you miss an opportunity, you miss an opportunity, right? You have manual processes, they are very inefficient. Their time spent on admin tasks, lost revenue. You have people calling people, following up. Basically, you have nothing, right? You don't have any AI system in your business whatsoever. That's level zero. That's where everybody starts. You gotta start somewhere. Don't worry though. We will definitely upgrade you. And again, if you do need help with this, book a call with me, and I will actually be able to help you come up with a strategy on how you can implement AI into your business. All right. So level zero, you have nothing. Level one, this is where you use AI and idea generation and copywriting. You're using it for, hey, I want to write a social media post. Tell me, how can I do this together? How can I use it, right? So you can use things like ChatGPT to brainstorm quick ideas. You can use Jasper to generate some social media posts. You can draft emails using Sonic or other tools like that, right? Basically, you're at the level one. This is what I call level one. You're basically just starting out, and you are getting acquainted. I'm gonna say acquainted with AI. You're basically testing the waters. You're asking the questions, right? You're asking the questions. Hey, how do I do this? Hey, how do I do that? Right? You're generating some ideas. What do you think about this domain? What do you think about that domain? What do you think about this business? Right? This is level one. Right? Level one is all about idea generation, question and answer, and getting to know, getting to know the system, so to say. This is where a lot of people are, and don't worry, a lot of people are here because of, again, they don't know the other levels, and if they did know the other levels, it'll be a bit more complicated. Like, I'm done. So if you do need help, I'm here to help you. Level two. Now this is getting a bit more complicated. It's getting a bit more complicated, but level two is AI powered CRM automation. So for example, you're a roofing company, right? If you're a roofing company, you always get people calling you, hey, can you come do my roof? Hey, can you give me a quote? Hey, can you do this for me? What if, what if every time somebody calls you, right, Even if they leave a voicemail or whatever, like even if you don't pick up, right? What about setting up some sort of automation where you can then follow up with these people? Hey, sorry I missed your call. Let me get back to you in a bit. People will feel a bit more appreciated. I think people will feel a little bit more appreciated when you actually text them back after they call you because you were busy. Hey, I appreciate that. I don't know about you, but if I had a roofing company and I kept getting all these calls, I will make sure that I set up something, right? Lead nurturing is very, very important, right? If you have a CRM, make sure you're nurturing your leads. Make sure that you are having some sort of way to communicate with these people. Again, this is not gonna be like a perfect system, so that like even humans are not perfect. Okay, let's just get that out of the way, right? But this is going to allow you to be able to not only get more opportunities, but also be able to keep up with the demand and also potentially save money from hiring two or three different people who are in charge of following up and nurturing people and all that good jazz. Right? I actually just watched a presentation the other day, and somebody was like, "Hey, who are the people who have a CRM?" Everybody stand up, and everybody stood up, right? Who are the people who are using their CRM to follow up with their leads? And then a couple of people, sat down. Who are the people who actually have a reminder to call their leads on a quarterly or regular basis? Only one guy stayed standing. And the presenter just went and pointed out that guy is the 1%. That's how you want to be the 1%. You want to be able to follow up with these people. You want to be able to set up some sort of notification that, hey, I need to follow up with this person, see where they are, and see what they're doing, right? The other thing that we're doing is that they were actually sending out not just, hey, this is the information we have, but actual valuable content to their leads. So if you want to be the 1%, that's a really good thing to track. Level 3, now it's getting a bit harder. It's getting a bit harder here. You're getting an AI assistant that handles sales conversations. Warm leads are followed up 24/7 effortlessly. 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 Scale your efforts, right? Okay, so what does this mean? If I had a roofing company again, hey, can you come check my roof? Can you give me a quote on this roof? I'm not going to answer that phone call. My AI assistant is going to answer that phone call. Yes, we can definitely do that. What's your address? How big is the roof, right? Get all that information and then basically be like, hey, that sounds really good. Why don't I book an appointment with you in my calendar or in our team's calendar, right? Does 3:30 p.m. tomorrow work for you? And then all my team has to do is show up. They already know what the measurements are. They already know where the address is. They already know what the problems they are having. Like all they have to do, all the salesperson has to do is show up knowing exactly what's happening. That's what we call level 3 AI voice and follow up. I actually don't leave yet because I have a bonus section, right? Where you can then, I'll show you there's a whole nother level that people are not even thinking about just yet. I mean, some people are, but some people are not thinking about this just yet. So when it comes to AI and voice and CRM, I tend to use this tool called Go High Level. You can actually go there and actually, get a 14-day free trial. I'll also probably put a link in the chat and you can play around with it. And this tool has everything you need, right? It has, again, capturing leads, nurturing leads, and closing the leads, right? Everything in one system. It's a really good system. You haven't played around with it. I think it's better than HubSpot, Salesforce, and all that good jazz, right? But don't take my word for it. Go play around with it, right? Level 3.5. This is where people are like, now, now you're making things a bit more complicated. But here's the thing. Here's the thing. My kids have a different Netflix. I have a different Netflix. My wife has a different Netflix, right? The recommendations on there are very much personalized, right? Why not do that in your business? That's what this level is all about. Level 3.5 is all about AI personalizations and analytics. If you can get AI to personalize emails, if you can get AI to personalize, content based on the person's activities on your website and all that good jazz, what would that do for your business? Right? What would that do for your business? Just think about it. Right? Think about that for a second. Right? Can you imagine having a right, customized, personalized outreach system or nurturing system? Like, hey, I remember you. You asked us for your roof and it was this measurement. Did you know that we have these new tiles now? Did you know that we have these new products now? And we think that they will do great for you, right? For the next time around. I don't know. I don't know. However you want to do that, but personalizing and predicting customer behavior with AI is very, very, very key right now. Amazon is doing this all the time. Every time you buy something from Amazon, they're like, this person likes this. Let's give them more recommendation. Other people bought this with it. Other people bought this whole set, right? They're always trying to upsell you, but they're customizing it, knowing exactly your behavior, right? You can do this in your email campaigns for better results, right? You can recommend perfect products, right? Uh, AI agents. Yeah, this is a really good one. For AI agents, again, do not overcomplicate this. AI agents just basically manage projects and customer service. You can basically talk to your phone now and be like, hey, book me a flight to San Francisco on August 3rd. And the whole thing will just go and book you the whole thing, right? That's what we call AI agents. If you want to build AI agents or if you want to play around with AI agents, there's a tool called Relevance AI. You can actually build and recruit AI agents. pretty, pretty interesting stuff, right? So go ahead and try that out if you are interested with AI agents. But again, it's not about who. Actually, it's not about how. It's about who, right? Do not give yourself a headache trying to set all these things up, right? Somebody like myself can come in and help you, or somebody else can help you set this up. Do not, as a business owner, focus on what you do best. That is moving the business forward, right? If you want to make it a bit more efficient, hire an expert to come in and show you how that can be processed faster. AI agents are massive and they're going to continue being massive. If you have not started thinking about this might be the key to replacing some of your revenue or saving you some of your revenue. I'm not going to say more than that. Custom large language models. Okay, before I go to level 5, there's a bonus. I promise you a bonus. The bonus is an AI tool that can take an idea into an app in seconds. I'm not going to show you a demo right now, but this is really cool in that once you put in the idea here, right? Let's see here. I want to build a quote form for a mechanic repair shop. Right? Once you put in something like that, it's gonna go and it's going to actually start writing code. That's like the most amazing thing ever right now. Right? Look at this. Look at this. Like it's actually writing code. You can see the code being written right in front of you. I didn't even have to do anything. I just said, this is what I want. Right? And you know, programmers, I'm sorry to say this, but I'm not gonna say you're cooked. if you're a programmer. I'm not gonna say that. I'm just gonna say if this thing can start writing code on its own, what else can we do? Right? What else can we do? Right? All those applications that are already out there, people are gonna start duplicating them really quickly here. Right? So this is the bonus section. If you're a business owner, you have an accounting business, a bookkeeping business, you're a mechanic, a roofing, like think about all the things that you would want to have on your website, or something that you would like to something that you would like people to use. Hey, somebody calls in, hey, how much are you going to charge for this? Hey, you know what? That's a great question. Go on our website. There's a form there. Fill out the form. And as soon as you fill out a form, I will get back to you with a quote and how with the timeline on how long it's going to take for us to build, repair your roof or give you a new roof. I don't know. Right. And that whole thing can be written just by talking with AI here. You can see here, it's still going, bro. It's still going. I haven't even touched anything yet, right? Uh, the sky is honestly the limit with this, right? Again, how, not how, but who, right? Who can help you make your business more efficient? Somebody was saying that the AI business, AI is going to be a $15 trillion business. Oh, look at this. This is so cool. Precision auto repair. Request a repair quote. Now you got the make. Wow. It even put in all the make and models. Whoa. The model, the select the year. That is so cool. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. Let's go with the Mazda 2018 mileage 5,000. Mazda CX. I don't know. Say routine maintenance and maybe some repair. Let's see what we get. And then you got, you gotta put in your email, whatever. That's at gmail.com. All right, 555-443. All right, no additional. Submit request. Boom, request has been submitted. Like all that took me what? 2 minutes? 3 minutes? This is awesome. All right, back to the presentation here. Custom LLMs, custom large language models. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, you can actually build your own custom large language model in that you are feeding it everything, right? You are feeding it everything about your business, whether it be your decisions, your team, your financial forecast, everything you're doing. And then it's basically going to build an AI tailored, you know, an AI tailored business for you. Like it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do, when you need to do it. You can train it on your unique data process request and gain competitive advantage in that it knows everything about you. It's connected to the internet as well, but it's locked into a box where it's not going to be able to share your, your business secrets. So again, not how, but who. Who can build you this, something like this, right? You can probably do it yourself if you really wanted to. But imagine if you had a custom large language model that's just based on looking at your business and making it a bit more efficient. I kid you not, there are some companies out there, I think it was in Japan, that already have a CEO AI running the business, running the company. All right. Don't quote me on that, but it's a thing. So what are the key takeaways from this? Right? AI is very scalable. Right? The solutions for small businesses are expanding on a daily basis. For you as a business owner, start simple. Play around with it. Don't be scared. My whole goal with this channel is to help you to not be scared to use AI. Right? become a little bit more comfortable. Start with idea generation, and from there, figure out, hey, how can I automate my CRM, right? How can I make it a little bit more efficient? How can I make it so that when somebody comes into my business, I don't drop the ball on them, right? I'm gonna keep following up with them, keep nurturing them until they say, hey, I don't want you to follow up with me anymore, right? Basically, start small, scale from there, and then if needed, hire a consultant, right? If you do want some advice, I'll put a link in the chat. I'll put a link in the description. Book a strategy meeting with me. It's going to be free, 30 minutes, and we'll get together and figure out, hey, how can we make your business a little bit better? That's my time, y'all. See you on the flip side.